Do you need to update the clock on your 10th generation Toyota Corolla? Then check out this video. Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video, I'm sat in a 10th generation Toyota Corolla, and this is a sedan model from 2008. And on this model, there's actually two dashboards found on the cars, and this is the more basic one, and there's an upgraded one as well. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the clock that's found on the left-hand side of the tachometer just down there. And what we're going to do is we're going to synchronize that to the aftermarket head unit there that's actually getting its time from GPS. So you can actually see that's 16 minutes past 5 on a 24-hour clock, and our dashboard clock is currently showing 32 minutes past 6, and this is a 24-hour clock as well, so that's 6 in the morning. So we're only going to need to use one button to change this, and it's this button right here. So what we're going to do is go ahead and hold that in until the hours start flashing, and then we can actually just start cycling through by pressing it in. You can hold it in, but it's not too much quicker. Once you get that to 17 to match the clock and the radio unit, leave it for about 5 seconds, and it moves over to the seconds. Then we're going to get that all the way around to 16. And looking at the analog clock, it's actually looking like it's going to be 17 by the time I get there. So we go all the way to 17. Yep, and then we wait for a couple of seconds. The entire time starts flashing. Press it once. That's now locked in that time. So we've got 17:17 and 17:17. There you go. Nice simple video for you today. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.